What is the use of this video? Why are you telling me all these things which is not related to me? And what is the use of this, Guruji? Yes, if you are asking this question, definitely I'll answer this first. The reason of this video is about making an yantra. What is the meaning of yantra? Yantra means it is nothing but an engine. But here, when it comes to spirituality, force, let it be a soul force, let it be a positive energy force, or if you are looking into negative energy, it will be a negative energy force. Like that, we human beings are being in this, our house, our land, factories, or our movie theaters, any industries, or any big cities, villages, let it be anything, are being moved by a force. It may be a positive or a negative force. So I'm speaking about an yantra of positive energy, which will have a vast energy, which will give us a very big force to move and fulfill our wishes and to be blessed with lots of health, wealth and prosperity. That too, these days, since we people are not been stuck with the traditional things and we people are not been following the proper ancient traditions, we are into so many troubles. Let it be the accidents, let it be the health issues, the financial issues, the marital issues, the issues in love life, the issues with our partners, issues with our children. Like this, there are so many issues which are being facing in our daily life. This is the stop. Gauri Tantrik, Amarnath, Kal Rudranath, Kal Bhairav, Akshanand, Brahmastra Guruji. I am here to help you out about a good, forceful, positive energy creating yantra. I will explain about this. So this yantra name is called as Kshetra Sukta Yantram. This was found by Maharshi 20 to 21,000 years ago. It is unbelievable, but there are so many records for this which we can't prove scientifically, but still one who believes, they get the result. One who don't believe also, they get the result. If you want one for your house in this globe, wherever you are, it is available. As the distance gets longer, the price will get higher. That's it. But definitely result is there. Result will be available throughout the world, because this was kept secret for years together. But now, because of the pandemic, because of the world going crazy, the world are full of enemies, no one are leading the peaceful life, so that one should have a positive energy in the home, who are in trouble with evil spirits, negative forces, negative energies, black magic effects, or any kind of bad situations in their life, they should have this. My suggestion is prevention is better than loss. So be updated. You can have this one. It is available online and offline. It is a very ancient traditional technique to solve the problem, to get so much of money, health, wealth, prosperity. You have to understand it is including everything. Everything it will be included. I will do myself for every single person to get their benefits properly. This won't be made by machine. These things which are being made by machines won't work. There are so many things like this which is being printed by machine which is not going to work. So please go ahead and try to get one from me, so that your life, your house, your family, your prosperity, your health, your wealth, everything will get prized and will get more positive energy, and you will be keep on moving happily throughout your life. Thank you very much. Take care. God bless you.